Okay, this game is brought to you by PSPQ Basketball League. Ang liga naman siya dito po sa Kata. Kung sino po gusto pong mag-join po ng team po, just visit the page for details. PSPQ Basketball League. Ito po, liga naman sikat. Pinoy Stars Basketball here in Qatar. PSPQ Basketball League. PSPQ Basketball League. Second game po tayo mga kababayan. Switching the teams of Rising Knight in white-blue combination and DJ Giana in white-red combination. Eto na po tayo po opening tip-off. Jump ball, putaan yun mga kababayan. Balik na rin muna natin yun. Okay, eto na. Medyo kulang yata ngayon na DJ Giana. Si Lapus nasa kabila pala. And also thank you for gracing po also another vlogger with tonight po, si Hairbox Vlogs. Hero, kaway-kaway naman dyan. Yan po ha, Hairbox Vlogs po tayo. Hairbox Vlogs ang Sakalam. Ito na, kapaka-vlogger po natin yan, Hairbox Vlogs. Okay, second game for tonight. Pag-market kaya ako na magdano ko yun. Okay na mga pagkano. Okay na po ito. Ito na po tayo mga bayan for the opening tip-off. Tayo! Ayan na. Ayan si Pangalan, nandyan din si ayan na si Dr. X, nandyan si Dr. X. Si Ruizo nandyan din. Si Akai naman sa kabila naman. Bakala, kain si Jambol. Padayo versus Akain for the tip-off. And sino nakuha? Ayun, ako number 14. Number 14. Jana, DJ Giana for Amada for 3. Wala. Ayun, si Dagatus. Pasok. 2 points, Dagatus. Alfonso. Wala ang bola. Ayun na si Bakala versus Tuble. Bakala. Amada. Ruizo. Tapos. Okay, laga. Ayan si Alfonso. Ayun. Nice shot, Alfonso. Kinaka-finger pa. Amada number 5. Bakala driving and Foul number 7. Krista Gray. Amada nakuha. Oh, putik na. Krista Gray. 2 points, Krista Gray. Nice one, Krista Gray. Amada leading the charge. Padayaw for 2. Pasok. Sweet stop by Padayaw. Okay, Padayaw pa. Shoutout po from Philippines, JP ng JPX TV. JP lang ang Sakalam. Pa-shoutout po sa iyo. Okay po tayo. Amada for the inbound. Tablados po tayo at 4-4. 4 kanos sa branch po tayo. Amada lost the ball. Krista Gray 2-0 rotation. Wala na. Pasok ang bola. 6-4. First lead been tasted na by Rising Knights. Bakala to ang Ruizo. Take it in, no? Driving, kick on pass. Lagatus, pasok. Tabla na naman tayo, 6-all. Okay, now Alfonso Alfonso. Alfonso driving, nakalusot, nako, ilalim, malakas. Foul on Bacala for the foul. First personal foul, first team foul ng DJ Giana. Villegas shooting for 2, courtesy of course, AC Kitchen. Quality pampaganas yung hapagkainan, handog po yan ng AC Kitchen. AC Kitchen, garlic oil, garlic chili oil. Amada. Okay, Amada, naka-rebound naman. Amada pops up, nope. Ayan si Bacala. Bacala to Villagatos. Nakuha niya, kain na bola. Nakuha niya, ma'am. Alfonso. Pasok. Bola. Alfonso, 2 points. Amada. Parang nakakalasing yung pangalan. Alfonso. Amada, Bacala, double team, 2 points sana. Foul. It's a foul. Take 2. Akain for the foul. Landog po yan ng Maya's Kitchen. Merienda ba kailangan natin? Sagot po yan ng Maya's Kitchen. Tara na sa Metro Station in Mansura in Doha. Maya's Kitchen. Bacala, nope. Take note, laman po ng 3 po ngayon ang Rising Knights. Bacala second throw, pasok ang bola. Swak sa banga. Alfonso. Power move. Palpal. Edward. Akain. Walang red. Patayaw for the rebound. Pasok. Ayun na. Patayaw clear the boards. Bacala. Walang bola. Same ball. Walang bola. Same ball. And thank you pala po kay Mr. Noipi, Iowa Nation Vlogs, and also Ms. Zira Nyado for gracing the presence of this ball game. Nice one. And nakumuli po na. Bacala, shake and pick, throw. Kick up pass, Rizzo. 2 points, Rizzo. Okay, tabla na naman tayo. And Villegas. Wala. Lagatos to Bacala. Patay na ang bola. Yes. Sinubo lang, parang gamot. Okay. Alfonso stalwart po yan dati sa Pinoy Bowlers. BBQ katang yan. And it's a foul called. Lagatus called for the foul. Foul number 14, Lagatus.
Second team call,
DJ Giana. And lost the ball, Lagatus. Amada. Nakon Alfonso. Ruizo. 2 points, Ruizo. Okay, now the score right is 9-13. A 4-point lead being posted by DJ Giana, Alfonso. Villegas, Akai, 2 points, Akai. Amada wants the ball. Amada pops up, nope. Ayan, Lagatus. Selfless play being added by Amada. Alfonso. Save naman, wala pa rin. Siya naman. Wala. Foul. Pushing foul, offensive foul. Villegas, offensive foul, and 5 minutes. Change pair po tayo yun. Second 5 coming up. Leading by Salvado Ulep and Company versus Lapus and Company. Ito po pala yung yung gallery po ng Rising Knights. Ito yung may dyan. Ayan ito po yung gallery po ng Rising Knights. Okay, ito po tayo yun. This time, si Gabriel Salvado, double team. Tagle. Ay, sinatibitan pala rather. Salvado. Veteran move. Wow! Salbado muli, ayun! Lapos. Bulawan. And defense! Nice shot! Ulit naman si Ulep, Salvado, kick out to Gabriel, Natividad, and stolen the ball! Buti na may punching bag doon. Mga all for 2. Magtugtuya na, of course. MC Cargo, ang iyong padala ay safe at sigurado. Available in Doha and Dubai branches. MC Cargo. Mga all second throw, jumpers ready para tumabla po tayo. And pasok. Okay, 15 tablados na naman. 15 tablados. Okay, ito po tayo ngayon, Gabriel. Naku po. Gabriel. Pops up. Nope. Mga on, naku ni Salvado bola. Salvado, veteran move. Wala, ayun. And 3-second violation. Tres ang bola. Lots, we would like to thank also para Iowa Nation and Company with Azira Nyado for gracing the ball game also. Okay, thank you po. Bulawan. And wala. Lapos. And complaining. Wow, ano yun? Wow, ano yun? This free throw is brought to you by MC Cuisine. Ang iyong aming lasa ay sigurado. MC Cuisine. Oh God, Nakoni. Gabriel, Nakoni ulit for 3. Bulawan, the golden boy, Bulawan, nandiyan din. Buban. Malakas ang pass ni Buban, sayang. Teka lang. Time out, DJ Kiana. Mukhang gustong i-map up nila muna kanyang offense ngayon. Rising Knights. They are rising already. Kaya Rising Knights. Sino ba team owner ng Rising Knights? Sino team owner? Team owner, kayo ba? Wala pa rin. Wala. Okay, back to the ball. 3 minutes, 7 seconds remaining. First quarter action. Thank you. Okay, ito po ngayon. Now, Gabriel, may tayo ng bola. Gabriel from Adriano muli to Gabriel. Adriano. Salvado. Nice one. Naku. Lapos for the rebound. Bulawan. Tuguban. Nice pass from Buban. GM connection pala yan. Buban mga all collection. Okay, eto po tayo yun. And Ulep driving. Nando si Salvado. Pops up. Nope. Lapos for the rebound. Lapos, pinapati ni Salvado. To mga all. Ayun! Bulawan malakas sa bola. Ulep! Malakas ang pasa ni Ulep. Malakas ang tira ni Ulep. Malalim siya masyado. Guban. Mga all. Guban again. For 3. No! Rebound. Bulawan. Mga all. Find with shot. Wala. Ha? Gabriel, Gabriel! Foul called. Pader ang big. Blocking foul, number 16, Gabriel shooting for 2. This free throw is brought in by, of course, HB Kicks. Gabriel. Okay, first shot ni Gabriel, pasok. HB Kicks from Jordan to LeBron. HB Kicks had it all for you. HB Kicks order. Just visit the page for details. Okay, rebound ni Lapos. Lapos for the rebound. The score is 19-16. Bulawan for Lapos. Lapos against Gabriel. Lapos driving. Kick back. Mangol, super Mangol. Mangol, Ulep versus Bulawan. Gabriel. Ulep against Bulawan. Ulep. And it's blocking foul. Ano? Chapko for the foul. Gabriel driving. Kick pass to Ulep for 3. Oy! Bulawan called for the foul. Possible 3 free throws po yan to be awarded. And that free will be brought to you by, of course, Qatar Sublimation by G. Ranyada. Quality uniforms at many more at all kinds of shape and sizes. Handog po yan ng Qatar Sublimation to visit and into the parties to make their uniforms. Just visit every page for details. Qatar Sublimation Sportswear by G. Ranyada. Okay, Ulep, second throw. Tatlo po yan, Ulep, second throw, pasok. Third free throw, jumpers ready for Ulep. 51 seconds remaining. Good morning po sa po lahat. It's a good morning in Qatar already. And good morning Philippines. Adriano, tapos Chaco. Para mga banok, nagsasabong. Talpakan. Adriano, Chapko for 2. This free is brought by McDonald's Qatar. Kahit nasa Qatar natin, kahit nasa Qatar pa tayo, lampa rin natin to. Okay, score po, sir. Idol from J. Diana Poblacion, 22-17. Laman po ang Rising Knights. Chapko, second throw, jumpers ready. Pasok. Okay, 22-17. Ano po kalamangan ng Rising Knights? Natividad versus Buban Nakoni. Bulawan, the Golden Boy Bulawan. Again, Bulawan. Ayun, muntik na mataka, Buban. Wala. Gabriel, alas Bulawan. Sayang. Sapo, Adriano called for a foul, second personal foul. Lapos shooting for 2. Number 10. Lapos shooting for, handog po yun ng tip-toe kicks. Shoes that never goes out but stand. Handog po yun ng tip-toe kicks to order shoes. Just visit every page for details. Tip-toe kicks. Lapos second throw. Lapos second throw. Labas. Ayun. Okay, 10 seconds. Ulep. Dakalusot. Ulep naman. Palpal. Same ball. 1 second remaining. Okay, that's it. Justin, shoutout para sa magaling na commentator ng PSBQ. Go. Keep up on Rising Knights. Okay, Rising Knights, binabati po ni Justin. Go daw. Nice one. Di ba ang Hukap Qatar, di ba no? Hindi man gawa ng uniform yun, no? Ano siya, no? Apparel lang siya, di ba? Hukap Qatar. Ay, ma'am. Ma'am, lapitan niyo yung ano, may bagong liga ng volleyball. Yung, share ko sa ma'am yan. May volleyball, baka may isa sabi siya yung gumawa ng uniform. Lapitan niyo. Yung mga team din.
Back to the building for the second period.
Share ko sa ma'am yung ano. Share ko sa ma'am yan. Okay, second quarter coming up. And the score is 24-17. 24-17 po tayo. Pulpindo for the inbound. Raimundo naman for the driving. Ayun na. Tangkain, pasok. Essery. Okay, the score is 20-17. Bakala, no. Rebound Dakin. Patayaw. Patayaw muli. Patayaw. Pinapakita yung pag-impetan ni Patayaw. Aaron De La Cruz, shoutout po sa kaibigan kong na inaantok, si Jefferson Bon Bagsit. Pasok ang bola. Okay, Aaron De La Cruz, shoutout po sa kaibigan kong inaantok na, si Jefferson Bon Bagsit ng Three Chance Barbershop. Pino, no! Ito na! Hamada! Wala! Nice one! Ito naman po. On the run po ngayon. Okay, touches with Bakala. Inopia Company po. Nandiyan po sa loob. And ito Pulpindo. Raimundo. Akain. Pulpindo. And nakanakawan. And Bakala going and gone. Tapos ang bola. Okay, 26-20. Lima pa rin po kalamangan ng Rising Knights in blue and white and blue combination. The white men. Chichirita. Goloksid. Pangalan naman. Pangalan ni si Chichirita. Wala. And foul on Chichirita.
Foul number 26, Chichirita.
Okay, time out call by Rising Knights. This is your PSBQ Basketball League. Any teams wanted to join our league, just visit our FB page for details. PSBQ Basketball League. Okay, bago na blogin po tayo yun. Amada for the inbound. Amada. Bakala sa ilalim. Wow! Lagatus, 2 points. Nice one by Lagatus. Selfless play. Nakabulag sila. Chichirita. Inopia. Akain, 2 points. Amada, bumabawi. Bakala. Lagatus, Amada. Padayaw for 2. No. Chichirita naka-rebound. Hey! Lost the ball. Kembao. Nice D by Kembao. Kembao for the inbound. Parang araw natin ang buka ko. Ginano. Nice one tayo. Incomplete. Padayo completing the end one play. Courtesy po yan ng, of course, Qatar Sublimation Sportswear by Ziranyada. And also, JPX TV. JPX lang ang sakalam. Padayaw for the Polish Pito. Pasok. 28-26. Nice shot. Nice play by Padayaw. Padayaw playing the center position now for DJ Giana. Pinopia. Kick pass. Padayaw. Ayan, dalawa kagad. Yes, sorry. Amada for 2 points. Tabla na naman tayo. Wala pinasahan. Yambao. Bakala. Bakala. Kick up pass. Malakas. Okay, tablados. 28 po tayo yun. 28 tablados. Ulpindo. Inopia. Inopia. Chichirita. 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 Kapsa. Walang pinasahan. Walang pinasahan si Chichirita. Balik mo muli sa DJ Gian ang bola. Padayaw. Padayaw. Directing traffic. Padayaw. Amada. Yambao. Nice one. Wala. Okay, Padayaw. Tube. No. Yambao. Almost done the ball. Number 21 called for the foul. Kiambao shooting for 2. Handog po yan ng ating sponsor, Winax Apparel. Don't get out from your house without wearing it. That's Winax Apparel. Kiambao. First shot, no. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pasok ang bola. Swak. Okay, Chichirita. Raymundo po tayo ngayon. Pops up. Wala. Bakala po dito. Ito na na, Honduran. Amada. Tapos ang bola. Okay, first lead now. Been tasted now again by DJ Giana. Bakala. 2 points Bakala. Okay, palit muli po tayo mga players. Change players po tayo. Change players. Ito na. Salvado and Company versus Lapus and Company. Yan na, si Lapus. Pinapasok na kasama si Alfonso. Alfonso. Stalwart yung dati ng Pinoy Ballers. Pinoy Ballers Qatar, si Alfonso. Kasama yan sa champion team ng Abi-Abi Pilipinas. Alfonso. Richie Gray. Alfonso. Bongolo. 2 points Bongolo. Okay, laman ng tatlo lang ang DJ Giana. Ulit. Pops up for 3. No. Rebound D. Lapos. Alfonso. Nagmamay Alfonso. Richie Gray. Malalim. Ayan, Salvado for 3. Wala. Salvado muli. Nice pass. Pero intercepted by Alfonso. Lapos. Again, a striking piece pa naman. Isa lang po kalamangan ng DJ Giana. Gabriel against Ulep. Ayun. Gabriel. Ulep. Nice Lapos. Gabriel. Pops up for 3. No. Rebound. Di Salvado. Hook shot. No.
Second personal foul.
2 shots awarded. Handog po yun ng Plus International Trading, Quality Juices and Candies and many more. Handog po yun ng Plus International Trading. And also, Chris Gray, second throw, pasok. Ayan, tablados na naman tayo, 33. Tablados, 33. Tablados na naman tayo yun. Natividad, Salvado. Nawalang bola. Nawalang bola. Ulit. Crossover na wala. Palpal. Gabriel. Adriano, no. Nakoni. Lapos. Alfonso. Nagmami Alfonso. Ayan, lamang ang Rising Knights ng dalawa. Ingat po ma'am. The best po. Salvado, no. Bongolo for the rebound. Op, ayaw. Hindi niya ginawa. Alfonso, driving. Alfonso ang isulit. Sulit for the rebound. Sulit. Natividad. Yung buwang play made. Tapos ang laban. 35 all tayo. Chris Gray for the foul. This free throw is brought to you by Trigon's Barbershop, the only 100% owned barbershop here in Qatar. Available in 3 branches po. One in Medina Khalifa North, one in Al Sadd, and one in Mansoura Station area in Doha. Trigon's Barbershop, 100% Pinoy para sa mga Pinoy. Salvado, no! Lapos again for the rebound, clear the board. Alfonso, pasok ang bola, kiniliwa pa. Ulit, 37-35, ulit against Chris Gray. Gabriel, bantay muna tayo, sabi niya. Okay, mapak tayo. Natividad, driving. Hop, traveling violation goal. Nice D by Bongolo. 37-35. Chris Gray. Yung pinarek pasok. Gabriel. Wala. Bongolo. Lapos. Driving. Lapos versus Gabriel. Okay, to Chris Gray. Alfonso. Okay. Nice D by Salvado. Okay, time out by DJ Gianna. Hindi na gusto ng i-map this out. Okay, they need to map this thing out. Game. Okay, ito po tayo ngayon. Lapos for the inbound. 1 minute 30 seconds remaining. Lapos for the inbound. Bongolo pops up. No! Rebound ni Salvado. Ulit. And it's a foul. Anspo foul by Alfonso. Masakit yun. Okay, Anspo foul committed by Alfonso.
Alfonso. On strikes on right foul. 2 minutes, yes. Alfonso.
Bonso, called for the foul. Anspo po yan. Alfonso, sitat muna ikaw. 2 minutes. Pasok muna si Guban. Ulep, pasok ang unang tira. Handog po yan ang Coach Mike Movement Basketball. Ulep, second throw. Jumpers ready. Nope. Okay. 39-37 plus ball possession pa yan, mga kababayan. Okay, Gabriel. Ulep na naman. Ulep, pops up. No. Vivo de Salvado. Walang pinasahan. And ako yung ulep. Ako yung lapos na bola. Lapos. Nice one by Villegas. Oh! Foul! It's a foul. Penalty situation. Salvado shooting for 2. This free throw is brought to you by Bear Jones Beauty Spa. Transform Beauty by the Queen. Nandun po yun ang Bear Jones Beauty Spa. Diyan po yun sa Mansoura Station area in Doha. Bear Jones Beauty Spa. Transform Beauty by the Queen. Salvado, second throw. Wala. Villegas, nope. Nakuha ni Adriano, is a foul. Pushing foul.
Lapos.
Villegas.
Villegas.
Villegas called for the pushing foul again.
Villegas, second, personal foul.
Adriano shooting for 2. Handag po yan na, of course, Janos Gumetio. Janos Gumetio, available 2 players po yan. Team Spicy and Team Original. Mamili po kayo. Janos Gumetio.
Second throw.
Okay, second throw. Wala! Lapos for the rebound. Guban. Guban nagmamadali. Okay, Gabriel. Guban versus Gabriel. And offensive foul! Kitang-kita, tinulak.
21 seconds. Number 11.
21 seconds remaining. Naman pa rin po ng tatlo ang Rising Knights. The Blue and White Men.
Gabriel, with the ball.
Okay. Ulep.
14 to shoot. 10 seconds.
Ulep for 3. Bang! Again. Wala na.
And in the second quarter.
After 2 quarters, tabla pa rin po tayo mga kababayan. 41 tablados. Third quarter po tayo. Coming up, this is your, of course, PSBQ Basketball League. Any teams po wanted to join our league, just visit the FB page for details. PSBQ Basketball League. plugin po tayo ha. Ala Chamba Restaurant po tayo. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, buffet po yan. For only 39 pesos po yan, you will enjoy all the Filipino meals po. Hando po yan ang Ala Chamba Restaurant. Diyan lang po yan sa The Filipino Store in Doha. Yan, Ala Chamba Restaurant po tayo. Courtesy po yan by Iowa Nation. Yan ba yung dating Boracay, di ba? Ala Chamba? Tama no?
Kabilang side.
Kabilang side naman. Marami sa Baskin Robinson, di ba?
Pwedeng na yun.
Rep Rich is watching also.
Bayan din sila.
Nakalala. Patumuwi kasama nyo. Patumuwi, may pasok. Eh, nakasilog nyo, wala kang mapasok mamaya.
Amada, where you? Ako, Amada. Lapit na.
Okay, after 2 quarters po, laman po is wala. 41 all po tayo. 41 all lang. Both teams po make their own runs, but both teams also make their own counter runs po. Kaya 41 all po tayo. And also, thank you po pala po, the pool of previous handle po yan ng QFBR referees. Thank you po sa kanya po, sa inyo po. QFBR referees po yan. Maraming salamat po. Headed by referee Homer and company. Ano sa pagbati po na kay Coach sa Ref Chris po, Ref Chris, shoutout po sa FaceBQ, QFBR, SBP. Mga ka-rep, pipito ngayon, watching from Australia. Okay, Mark, ganda niyan, Morocco is watching. Shoutout po tayo, Ref Chris is watching. RJC Zobert is watching. Lynn Bukert Ortega is watching. Anthony Ateja is watching. Darf Kaisa is watching. Mark Zambales is watching also, yes. San Ascano Gado is watching. Chris C. Kabikingan is watching. And many more. Okay, shoutout po. Sabi ni Mark Kandigan Morocco, shoutout po kay AJ Razon. AJ Razon, shoutout po. Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, game.
Walang mananalo yan.
Game. And it's on. Third quarter action. Chapter 3 sa malamat na laro ito. We'll start now. Ito na, chapter 3. Okay. Coach Padayo for the inbound. Coach Padayo for the inbound po for DJ Giana. Ito Amada against Alfonso. Ito na si Bacala. Walang pinasahan si Bacala.
Amada. Paano na?
Okay, balik muli tayo sa Bukap Qatar sa Rising Knights ang bola. The White and Blue Men. Ruban. Nope. Salvado. Okay, Salvado. Bacala. Kembao. No. Alfonso nakalusot. Alfonso. 2 points. Ref, please, pakisabi. Sa Lapito, suplado sila. Ha, 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 ha. Di naman, humingiti nga Sir Johnny, si Osco Sommer eh. Padayaw! No! Hoy! Foul! Take two! Foul number 4, Kiambao. Alfonso shooting for 2. This free throw is brought to you by, of course, Imprint Advertising. We turn your dreams into absolute reality. Imprint Advertising. Wala. Second shot ni Alfonso. The score is 43-41. Wala pareho. Amada. Nakuha. And wala. Same ball po tayo. Kiambao for the inbound. So Bakala. Justin, walang malaki kahalgaan ni Alfonso. Pag pinabuelo mo, kakainin ka niya. Sabi niya, pagkapanog, patayaw. Who's ball rep? Maol, 16, called for the foul. One more time. Kiambao, naipit ang konti. Kiambao, 2 points. Kiambao, 2 points. Tatlo ba na naman tayo, 43. Mga all. It's a foul. Foul. Salvado called for the foul. This free throw is brought to you by Avens Travels and Tours. You want to travel? Travel world best at what we offer. Avens Travels and Tours. We offer neat packages for your all vacation needs. Avens Travels and Tours. Available in 2 branches po in Mansura, 1 in Almira, and 1 in Mansura area fronting Chiquis Restaurant. Avens Travels and Tours. Basket made, goes basket, 45-43. Ito na naman. Lamang na naman. Amada for 3. Nope. Padayaw. Butter. Bakala. Padayaw. Kiambao. Nakalusot. Skill pass. And 3-second violation. 3-second violation committed ni Salvado. Again now Alfonso driving. Alfonso. Tumigil muna. Alfonso, Guban, Alfonso, no! Padayaw, Bakala against Guban, and it's a foul. Who's foul rep? Guban called for the foul. Second personal foul, Guban. Kiambao for the inbound to Amada against Alfonso. Alfonso nakalusot, ito foul.
Amada, paano na?
Ball number 18,
Chapco called for the foul.
Amada, paano na?
Okay, Padayaw being hounded. Ayun na si Kiambao. Lost the ball. Completed. Bulawan. Guban. Walang pinasahan. Amada. Salvado. Padayaw. 2 points. Tapos pa. Up. Timeout. Goal. Rising Nets go for the timeout. Again, tabla na naman tayo. I think this will be a very long night for us. Very long night for us until morning. What a good game. Okay, announcement na po.
Hello, Mike.
Okay, back to the ball game po tayo ngayon. 45 all po tayo ha. 7:17 remaining third quarter action. Chapter 3 ng makabalatang laro ito. Shoutout kay LB Corin, Bawit, at Kyle, Ran.
Lumakaro sa gitna.
Manol, wala. Padayo, power rebound. Hop! Bakala. Yo-yo ball, wala. Hop. Easy lang. Maano ka? Any gestures? Paalala lang.
Foul number 28.
Kumain, ang galing mo.
Easy lang, Conso. May ano ka na, anspo ka.
Second personal foul.
Okay, good. Easy lang, boss.
Dom ka sa dom.
Pakalat, first shot made. It's good.
Basketball. Para kay
Okay, FJ Engineering. This is 40 by FJ Engineering. Bakala, Sink, both team. Free throws again. Lamang muli po tayo ng dalawa para sa DJ Giana.
Alfonso Turco.
Okay, Alfonso again. Alfonso, tayo ng bola. Alfonso. Lapos, nakawala.
Tapos tumador.
Mangol. Go back for 3. No. Bakala. Nice. D by Guban. Parang soccer ah. Nice D by Guban. Okay, Guban against Guban hounding Amada. Guban Padayaw against Lapos. Salvado. Fadeaway shot. Wala. Lapos for the rebound. Lapos. Up si Daisy. Nice di ba, Amada? Okay, Chris Gray, papasok muna para kay Guban. Okay, now also substitute tayo. Double 16 mga all. Pasok labas muna para kay Villegas. Labos for the inbound. Okay. Villegas, ayun, Chris Gray! What a pass! Nice play by Chris Gray. Nice play by Chris Gray, by Dr. Gray. Pakala! No! Rebound niya kain! Alfonso! Nakalusot si Alfonso! Alfonso! Whoop! Tapos. Wala pa rin, sayang. Okay.
Foul Bakala.
Bakala for the foul. Second personal foul. Lapos.
Third foul. DJ Giana.
Lapos shooting for 2 for courtesy of Janas Gumetio. This is available in 2 flavors po tayo. Team Spicy, Team Original, Janas Gumetio. Mamili po kayo. To order, get visit every page for details. Janas Gumetio. Both basket made. Okay, substitution now. Ulep in para kay Kiambao. Padayaw for the inbound for Amada. Amada dictating traffic. Amada driving. Nice pass sa Bakala. Ulep nag-squeeze sa play. Woo! Tapos sa bola. Nice shot by Ulep. Finger roll pa yan.
Alfonso.
4-9 all.
Alfonso.
Okay. Alfonso. Chris Gray sa ilalim. Pasok ang bola. Baseball pass. Nakunin na sa bola. Tapos. Chris Gray naman. Tapos. Up. White ball. Giannis ball. DJ Gianna ball. Baseball pass. Bakala. Sabado. Kinilwa. Bakala, pagpal. Wala. Esa naman. Alfonso. Driving. Alfonso. Villegas. Alfonso. Lapos. 2 points, Lapos. Time out call by DJ Giana. Nice IQ by Alfonso. High IQ, basketball IQ po yan. They will opt now for the open man. Okay, yan po ang mga self-express ng basketball. Okay, ito po tayo ngayon at 4 minutes 31 seconds remaining. Lamang pa rin po ang Rising Knights ng apat. 53-49. Ay, ano? Kasas, oh. Aywa. Kasas, oh. Kasas. 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 Mga premier yan. Premier player. Amada. Padayaw. No. Rebound. Nahuli. Jumble. Okay, who's ball? Who's ball? Rising Knights ball. Rising Knights ball. Rising Knights ball. Okay, next possession po will be Jadi Gana. Next end po tayo. Malakas ang pasa, sayang. Bakala. Amada. Kick pass. Ulip. Kick pass Amada naman. Amada. Wala. Patayo si Galit. Sigulit. Wala pa rin. Lapos naman. Lapos sa bola. Lapos. Nako ni. Good ball. Villegas. Chris Gray. Sayang. Ang pasa. Lost the ball. Amada. Patayaw sa lalim. 2 points. No. And same ball. Nagkayang DJ Giana ball po tayo. And padayaw to Kapakala. Amada. Padayaw na naman. Salvado. Wala pa rin. Rebound na kain. Alfonso. Wala. Sayang. Kapakala. Alfonso. Hindi, walang bola. Sayang. Galit pumalik sa DJ Gian ang bola. Time out. Masyado tayo naging intense. Magpahinga muna tayo. And also, mag-map muna tayo kung ano gagawin natin sa laro nito. Okay, back to the ball at 2 minutes 50 seconds remaining of the third quarter action. Rising Knights, sabi ni Igier. Bayukot, Rising Knights, go! Ayan na. Amada,
paano na?
Salvado, fadeaway shot. Pasok to. Labas. Check goal. Padayaw driving. Ulit for 3. Pasok. Bola. Lamang na naman ang DJ Giana. Shoutout kay sa DJ Giana. Good luck, sabi ni Para George. Lapos for 2. Nasa pasok. Shoutout po yan kay ba't di ka naglaro, idol? Okay. Tapos wala. 53-54. Foul! It's a foul.
Sinarato mo daw kasi Amada.
Ba't di ka naglaro, idol? Sabi ni Jade yan ang populasyon. Rising Knights.
First foul.
Third personal foul. Chris Gray for the inbound. Chris Gray to Alfonso to Chris Gray. 3 points! 3-point shot made by Chris Gray. Amada, Ulep. Ulep for 3. Pasok! Binawi ng Ulep. Nice shot kay Ulep. Makain. Makain. Isigray naman. Offline. Offline. Katayaw, pinapantayan. Jambaw. Jambaw na katay. Nakuha ni Chris Gray. Kasunod na yung bola. Katayaw. And Jimbo.
Substitution.
Nice shot. Nice D by Padayaw.
Substitution.
Okay, substitution mo na ngayon. Pahinga muna, pahinga muna.
Remaining time 57
Makain for
seconds.
Bonggolo. Guban para kay Chris Gray. Pinagpahinga mo yung mga players mo nila para sa fourth quarter action. Bakala for 3. Pasok! Guban. Guban. Lapos. Lapos! 2 points, Lapos! Tabla na naman tayo! This will be very long night talaga sa basketball ito. Lapos! Ulep na ipit! Who's foul rep? Take 2.
Baka lang, give chance to others.
Who's foul rep? Ball number 24, Villegas.
Uban.
Villegas, serve, personal foul.
Okay, this free throw is brought to you by Bay Jones Beauty Spa. Transform beauty by degrees. Bay Jones Beauty Spa. Diyan po yan sa Mansoura Station area in Doha. Bay Jones Beauty Spa. Ulep, second throw.
Second throw. Remaining time 28 seconds.
Pasok, pareho. 28 seconds remaining. 60-62. Alfonso, may tanga ng bola. Against Gabriel. Bonggolo. Malakas. Bonggolo pa rin. Wala pa rin. Sayang. Ulit. Pasa. Nagmamadali. Boom! Okay, chapter 3 Kalas, coming soon, chapter 4 ng maalamat na tatagpong ito. Please stand up. Please stand up. That's right, it's dead. Basement. Ito na, fourth quarter na tayo. Fourth quarter.
Back to the
Fourth quarter action, DJ Cannibal. Ito na. Ulep, idol. Shoutout kay Ulep. Master Ulep. Ninja Ulep. Ulep, sikat ka na.
Ulan na.
Sikat ka na, pare. Again, 10 seconds more. Chapter 4 beginning. And final quarter, the final chapter. Ruizo, Bangala. Gambao, power move. Okay, Bonggolo. Bonggolo. Wala. Ulep for the rebound. Ito Ito na. Ito na yung ano sa Free support 3! No! Rebound! Bongolo. Rebound. Okay. Lapus! Nice one by the Golden Kid! Bulawan 2 points. The Golden Boy. The Golden Boy strikes again. Ayan na si Golden Boy Bulawan. Bakala. And ulit for 3. No! Bulawan for the rebound. Rebound for the Bulawans. And Guban. Nope. Lapos. Fadeaway shot. Pasok. 2 points Lapos. Okay, lamang na muli po ang Rising Knights. Bakala, driving. Bakala, Pasal, foul! It's a foul.
Go Richard!
Bulawang called for the foul. This free throw is brought to you by Coach Mike Ruben Basketball. Master your moves, you're the Coach Mike Ruben. Bakala for 2, pasok ang una. Pasok ang una. Ito ang pangalawa. Pasok pareho. No, hindi. Naku, nilap sa bola. Lapos for the rebound. And to Bulawan. Lapos driving. Whoa! Foul bait. Lapos for 2. Nice eye. Okay, Lapos shooting for 2, courtesy of Trigon's Barbershop. The only 100% barbershop here in Qatar. 150 Pinoy para sa mga Pinoy. Trigon's Barbershop. In 3 branches po yan. 1 in Medina Khalifa North, 1 in Mansoura Station in Doha, and also 1 in Al Sadd area in Doha. Okay, Bulawan driving, sidestep, check ball. Nice D by Baala. Ulit naman. Amada sa ilalim. Ruizo. Foul. It's a foul. Pushing foul. Nakaol. Substitution now. Ito na siya kain for Bongolo. Shout out sa kay Jobin Kono. Belated happy birthday. Sir, belated happy birthday sa iyo for Jobin. Happy birthday po, belated. Sabi po ni J. Diana Poblacion. Ruizo, second throw. Para tablang laban. Pasok sa banga. Okay, sabi ng ni Madam, pasok sa banga daw. Dapat pasok sa banga. Okay, Alfonso off to Lapos. Side step ni Lapos. Pasok ang bola. Nice bounce. Okay, Lapos for 2 and now to ulit to Bakala driving. Okay, Salvato for 3. No more. Nakuha ni Bulawan. Golden by Bulawan for the rebound. Bulawan. Alfonso. Check ball. Bulawan. Nice pasana. Bakala. 2 points Bakala. 66 all. Leonardo Dependo Laris is watching. Akain, nope. Foul sa ilalim. Foul number 11, Akain. Mali pala. DJ Giana, foul number 11, Padayaw. Okay. Mga all. Bulawan. Pops up. Nope. Rebound ni Padayaw. Ulit. Padayaw. Salvado. 2 points Salvado. Lamang na naman ang DJ Giana ng dalawa. Alfonso. Akain. Power move. Okay, take 2 siya kain. Padayaw, go for the foul. Free throws ka naman, courtesy of Plus International Trading. Quality juices and candies and many more. Hando po yan ang Plus International Trading. Bakit? Anong nangyari? Ay pa naman. Amada. And to Padayaw. 6-8 points po tayo. Padayaw. Binapatan ni power move. Padayaw. Foul. Tapos called for the foul. Lapos called for the foul. Okay, Padayaw shooting for 2.
Sorry, substitution.
Tapos, pahingi mo na raw.
Lapos, bakit ka mag...
This free throw. Ay, wala na. This free throw is floated by Wina Sapar. Don't get out from your house without wearing it. Wina Saparel. First shot ni Padayaw, pasok. Second throw ni Padayaw. Coming up. Nope. Lamang na isa. Ito na. Alfonso Ken dictating the traffic. Pa-shoutout naman. It's FBS Qatar in Bin Mahmoud. Okay. Sabi ni Albert Gatchalian. Bulawan. Ayun, nice pass. Naku, sayang. Bakala. Tapos ang patay. Tapos ang bola. Okay. Alfonso. Whoop. Pagkain. No. Again. It's a break. Bakala, Salvado. 2 points. Pulikat. Okay, timeout na called by Pulikat. Lamang po ng 5 ang DJ Giana at 5 minutes 17 seconds remaining of the fourth quarter action.
Go Richard.
Oh, boss, mga idol. Casas yun na yan. Dalawin eh. Si Casas tsaka si... Ano yan? Arabic players yan. Premier yan. Sa ano? Tagdaro sa Liga ng Qatar yan. Casas tsaka si... Okay, ito na. 68-73.
Go Amada.
Okay, ito na. Alfonso, driving. Okay. DJ Giana ball. 5 minutes remaining. 5 ang kalamangan at 5 minutes remaining. Amada. Bakala. Ulit. Pinapatay ni Alfonso. Bakala. Tapos. Padayaw, fadeaway shot, no! Lapos for the rebound. On the run. Bulawan. Pinasa pa. And good ball. Bulawan, labas. Pasok ang bola. 70-73. Here's again now reporting in also sa committee stable. Amada. Binabantay ni Bulawan. Kay Salvador. It's Bulawan. Good ball. Ayun naman. Alfonso. Good ball sa Alfonso. Timeout called by DJ Giana. Wow, what a game. Goal.
North side.
Back to the building. Remaining time 4 minutes and 1 second.
Okay, laman po pa rin po ang DJ Giana ng isa. 4-0 run being posted already by Rising Knights. Okay, ito na muli po tayo. Bakala. Triple big man po ang format. And it's a foul. Triple big man format po ang ginawa po nila nila DJ Giana. The big man of Salvador, Padayaw, and Bakala. Chapco for the foul. Buwan pa granted Amada. Floater shot, pasok! Nice shot.
With reverse na lang siya.
Ay, dumulo! Sayang. Lapos! 2 points. Okay, isang muli kalamangan. 3 minutes 30 na lang yan. DJ Giana still leading by 1 point. After highest lead of 1 point. Bakala. Ulip. Ulip na on the screen. Ulip. Amada. Nice shot by Amada. Alfonso. Christian Gray pops up. No. Okay, ito na chance to extend the lead. Amada. Left go. Amada naman. Malakas.
Bakala.
Okay, Tunggulo pasok muna para kay Chapco.
Bakala give chance to others.
Rising Knights, penalty.
Amada shooting for 2.
Amada, paano na?
Doesn't play, third personal foul.
First shot ni Amada, wala nga. 74-77. 2 minutes 21 seconds remaining. Lamang ng tatlo pa rin ang DJ Giana. Wala nga. Padayaw, 2 points. Nice shot by Padayaw. Nice shot by Padayaw kanina. Lapos against Padayaw. Lapos. Kick pass. Alfonso. Christian Gray. No. Foul. Nice shot ni Captain Padayaw. Okay, ito po tayo. 74-79. Lamang ng 5. Entry si Bulawan. Pinasok muna si Bulawan for Krisha Gray. Salvado, 2 free throws awarded. Dahil penalty na po ang hukot ang Rising Knights. Salvado first shot. Pasok. 6 ang kalamangan. 6 ang kalamangan. Second throw, jumpers ready. Salvado. Wala nga. Bonggolo. Okay, Alfonso, tinitignan yung oras. Alfonso. Lapos, driving. Nice steal, Ben Salvado. Amanda, for 3. And one play made. Binawi kagad ni Alfonso ang bola. Nice shot by Alfonso. Hindi na po tayo magano dahil kasi hinawakan ko na ang cellphone. Alfonso. Bonus free throw coming up, yes. 6-point lead pa rin po. 1 minute 16, malayo pa rin yan. Sige. Amada against Alfonso. Amada versus Alfonso. Nakuha na screen. Amada pops up. Bang! Alfonso. Foul! Foul on Alfonso. Committed ni Amada. Alfonso shooting for 2. Alfonso first shot. Pasok! Sana. Tapos. Second to Alfonso. Jumpers ready. And pasok! Okay, lamang na 7. Padayaw. Okay, they will now look to build the clock. Alfonso, foul. 28. Penalty situation. Amada shooting for 2. Shooting for 2. Amada shooting for 2. First shot ni Amada. Pasok. Nothing but net. Napaka-sweet. Sweet shot. Second throw ni Amada. Jumpers ready. Nope. Okay, akain. 8 kalamangan. Lapos. Kinapos na. Oh! Pushing foul.
Shout out our nation and the North Division.
Shout out. Bulawan, the golden boy, go for the foul. Padayaw shooting for 2. Pasok. Nothing but net. Second throw, jumpers ready. 30 seconds remaining. Nope. Bulawan for the rebound. Bulawan. Alfonso for 3. Nope. Bulawan. 2 points Bulawan. Okay, that's it. I believe so. Okay, final score. Nope. Okay, that's it. Final score, 887. Still undefeated, DJ Yana. Undefeated po yan, mga kababayan. Congratulations po, DJ Yana, for extending this game. Undefeated streak. Congratulations po. At papasok po sila malamang at number 1 with an undefeated state po talaga. Congratulations po. This is your host, Ivan G. Vlogs with you. And see you again for another basketball action on Tuesday evening here in the Pearly Season Council of Doha. This is your PSBQ Basketball League. Any teams po wanted to join our league, just visit the FB page for details. PSBQ Basketball League. Maraming salamat po and God bless po sa inyo and have a nice week ahead po sa inyo. Bye-bye! Extending their undefeated streak po. Anong ilang pala na? 5-2 na. 5-2 na. Wala pa ring bahid po ng katalo. Yan ha. DJ Giana. Wala na po eh. Wala na oras kasi.
Ano pa kalaban malakas? Spencer?
Oh, yan. Si Mr. P. Padayaw. Oh, sir. Sige po, idol. Salamat po. Good luck po sa inyo ha. O, sir ha. Gambao. Salamat po. Shoutout po kay Gambao. Oh. Ingat po kayo, sir ha. Salamat po. 3, 2, 1.